With better sound, watching movies at home feels more like a big screen experience. Adding this Panasonic wireless soundbar to your home entertainment setup makes things feel much more cinematic. TV speakers are all well and good, but they're never going to deliver powerful and clear audio like a dedicated sound system. This soundbar features 3 independent speakers providing up to 300 watts of power for more immersive viewing. While big and explosive sound is great for action, there's also a dedicated speaker to carrying dialogue, so you can still hear everything in perfect clarity. It comes with a wireless subwoofer, which adds plenty of depth and bass to the sounds of your favourite shows and films. Create your ideal sound setup with cord-free convenience that lets you place it wherever works for you. The soundbar doesn't just make visual entertainment better, it's great for music too. Connect your phone or tablet via Bluetooth and you can stream your favourite tracks, albums and playlists straight from your devices. With surround sound that puts you right at the heart of every scene, this Panasonic wireless soundbar makes your living room feel like your own cinema.